Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to add a Facebook follow button to your profile. Now, it's very important if you're building an audience on Facebook, you want lots of engaged followers. It is crucial that you have a follow button, and here is the reason why. There is this mistaken assumption that when you post something on Facebook, all of your friends see it. That is not the case. You see, what Facebook is looking at is they are looking at your friends and how responsive your friends are to your Facebook posts. If your friends are not engaging with your posts, they're not going to show, Facebook's not going to show your post to your friends. You're going to show it to very few. And that is not what you want to have happen. So how can you build this audience in Facebook then? So what you want to do is use the follow feature. And so to know what a follower is, if you look on my profile here, see where this little icon is? It says I'm followed by over 2,100 people. So what the follow button allows you to do is you can follow people, and it allows you to see their public posts, what they're posting on their timeline. And that gives you an opportunity to see what are they, what type of content are they putting out, and is it something you want to engage with them, okay? Is this going to be like an ideal person that you want as a Facebook friend that's going to give you a lot of engagement and could possibly be a really good prospect for your business, okay? So when you're doing that, when you've hit the follow button, what happens then is Facebook's going to send a notification saying, hey, so-and-so followed you. They in turn are going to come and check you out. And if you have your follow button enabled, then they're going to follow you back. And then they can see your posts, and now you can start engaging and commenting and liking each other's posts. You're going to start building engagement. And then what happens then is that if you're getting good engagement with them and a friendship develops, then you can have a friendship request sent out, because now you know you're putting people as friends who are going to be interacting with your posts. And that's what's going to give you more exposure. So let me show you what that looks like with a follow button. So as you can see here, I'm going to give you two examples. Now I'm going to show you my friend Linda. You can see her follow button is enabled, okay, because I am following her. Now looking here at Bohan, Bohan has a follow button. So I can click on that follow button, and now I can follow Bohan's posts. And I can see if this is someone that I want to continue building a relationship with, a professional networking relationship. So that's a way that you can start building an audience. So once you're done following, so to activate your follow button, all you're going to do is come over here to your Facebook profile, and you're going to see three dots. You're going to click on those three dots, click on timeline settings. And then you're going to come down to public posts. Click on public posts and make sure who can follow me. This is set to public. When this is set to public, your follow button is now enabled. And so when people are following you, now they can click on that button. If you have it selected to friends, the follow button will not be activated. So make sure this is set to public, and then you are good to go. And then once people people have activated the follow button, they can also start messaging you on Messenger as well. So there you have it. Very simple way to get your follow button on Facebook. It is a very useful tool, and you want to use it so that you can make sure that more of your posts are being seen by your Facebook friends. Did you find this video valuable today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And if you would like additional Facebook training on really how to use Facebook to build an audience and to get more people reaching out to you, I want you to check out this free training and cheat sheet that my good friend Erin Birch, who's a Facebook expert, she will show you exactly how to do that, especially if you're going to be using this to build a business. So to get access to that training, click on the link you're going to see in the comment section. It's going to be the first pinned comment you're going to see below this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.